What is going on, guys? It's your boy Tempo Trades. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how I made $16,000 in the stock market today, what trade I took, and how this trading system has allowed me to take a payout as recent as yesterday with Take Profit Trader. So I'm making 5 figures in the market. I'm absolutely loving this system. So we're going to get right into the trade recap. Now, when we came up into the stock market open, as many of you guys know, I trade 9:30 to 11 a.m. The look that we were getting is that the market actually dumped a ton overnight. We had a 700-point range. And then basically from Asia to the open, we kind of rebounded a little bit. And we came all the way back up to this new week opening gap, right? Now, what is the new week opening gap? The new week opening gap is the gap in price from Friday's close till Sunday's open. And typically when we get a lot of real world news or war news or economic news or anything like that, this gap is bigger and bigger because of that, kind of exaggeration, I guess. So as you can see here, we opened right into the gap. And for me, this just acts just like a high time frame fair value gap. So what are we expecting? We're actually expecting price to seek it, tap into it, and then continue rejecting lower. So I had a bearish bias going into the open. And you can even see right here, I called out as soon as 9:30, 3 minutes after open, I said, this is a good short, and I called it out. Now, let's look at the short. This was on the 30-second time frame. I'm just going to clean this up real quick so you guys could see. So why is this a good short? Okay, well, a few reasons. Okay, there are 3 major confluences here that we can look at, but I'll go over all of them. Okay, number 1 confluence right here, we have a buy side hourly liquidity level. Okay, if we go on the hourly time frame, it is this high right here. We are sweeping that swing high right there. That is a liquidity sweep. What happens after liquidity sweeps? Most of the time, price will reverse, okay, back into the range. So we have a buy side liquidity sweep. The second confluences are what we already spoke about. We are tapping the new week opening gap, right? So we are expecting price to reject the new week opening gap and move lower. That is our second bearish confluence, okay? Third bearish confluence is a SMT divergence, okay? The other thing you can see right here, what do you notice, right? If you go to the 5:30 a.m. candle, you can see that NQ swept this high. ES did not at the same exact high, right? If you go to 5:30 on NQ, sweeps. If you go 5:30 on ES, does not sweep. They are indices. They are supposed to be following each other. So when they don't follow each other, that is an indication of divergence, and that is the market giving you a hint of where it wants to go. So this is bearish SMT, right? Those are 3 huge bearish confluences telling you that the market is going to reverse in this area, okay? The SMT, tapping the new week opening gap, and the hourly liquidity sweep. So what do? I hop down to the 30-second time frame to look for a short entry. There was also the 1-minute time frame here, but honestly, the 1 minute was just a much larger stop loss, so I didn't want to take it. So it was also valid if you weren't comfortable with the 30-second time frame, but I dropped down to the 30-second. I identified this 30-second inverted fair value gap, and all I did was just simply wait for price to inverse. So right there, it inverses short. So I enter. Your stop is a close above this gap. And now we're just targeting swing lows on the opposite side. So here's first TP. This could be second TP. And then these are equal lows. These could be third TP. So very, very simple. And then if we just let the trade play out, every single TP hits here. Bang, bang, bang. So in total, you were only risking 34 points, and this hit 88 points in profit. Very, very nice trade here. The only negative for this trade is it was kind of close to open. I don't like trading right at open because what I found is price really just follows like volume and erratic momentum versus technicals and fundamentals. So I feel like my edge and my win rate isn't as high, but the confluences were just so good right here. I had to take it and accept that risk, and I'm glad I did. So as you can see, everything was taken live in my Discord. I trade live every single morning. Here was the call out. Here is me calling out my trims. And then here are my live executions as well. The orange arrow is where I got in. The blue or green arrows is where I covered and took profits. And then you can even see more here. I was in the trade live on stream. So absolutely beautiful day, man. I made $15,870. This is not just on one account. This is on a ton of accounts where I'm copy trading. But yeah, unbelievable, man. This system is amazing. I am also on a 10-day win streak, as you can see right here. Every single day has been traded live and called out live. So we'll see how long this streak can go on. If you want to come join us, link in the description. Day 11 tomorrow. But I am fat green, baby. Fat green.